O, Tala, what did you say?
I don't want to go home.
Okay. Tala, let's go. Go home, babe. Tala. Tala, we're supposed to go home now. It's there. Yeah, I can see it. Come on. Okay. Oh, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Tals. Tals. We're supposed to bring that. We're supposed to leave that here.
Why? That's mine.
Yeah, but you're supposed to use that here. Come on. Okay. Say goodbye again.
See you.
Open the door, Tals. Open the door. Open the door. Come on. Tals, let's go.
Bye,
Tala. Tala, goodbye means goodbye. Let's go.
5 minutes.
No more na, anak. School is finished for the day. You'll go back. You'll go back. Don't worry. Yeah, oo nga, no? There's your name. Good. Oh, let's go.
Anya.
Who?
Anya.
Very good. Oh, let's go. Come on, Taz. Did you have a good time? Okay, we can talk later.